Welcome to My Arbonne Life. Join me on the journey to healthy living. On this channel, we're going to have different recipes that can help you on this journey. So, subscribe to it, share it with friends, and also join me on my Arbonne team. So contact me if you're interested in that. Today we are making sweet potato fries, one of our favorites. We do it with a little Indian spice to it, so that's what makes them really delicious. And we usually give them to a lot of our guests because it's just an easy thing to do for guests, and it's very delicious. No matter who you are, everyone likes sweet potato fries. So check it out and tell me how it goes for you.